From divine Sister of the Light Chalea, channel and mystic, you are only moments away, the High Council of Sirius. Blessings, beloved ones. It is an honor to connect with you and all who will be hearing our message. Thank you for this transmission. In our last communication, we dove into the ongoing efforts of the Dark Cabal, who have been tirelessly attempting to sow chaos and discord throughout your world. However, it appears that these attempts are backfiring spectacularly, resulting in a phenomenon that is quite the opposite of their intended outcomes. Instead of instilling fear and division, their actions are inadvertently catalyzing a profound awakening among the masses. As you take a moment to observe the disintegration of the old paradigm, characterized by outdated systems, beliefs, and structures, it's vital to remind yourself not to become entangled in any lower vibrational emotions that may arise during this tumultuous period. It is essential to understand that those individuals and groups who persist in their roles as bullies, perpetuating wars, fostering separation, and indulging in greed, are gradually losing their grip on power and control. The collective consciousness of humanity is beginning to shift, as more and more individuals are turning away from manipulation of fear that has long been used as a tool to maintain dominance. This transformation signifies a crucial turning point where people are no longer willing to invest their energy into the illusion that has kept them shackled for so long. While it is true that a significant portion of humanity remains entrenched in the lower vibrations that are being projected upon them, it is equally important to recognize that this state is not permanent. A wave of awakening is on the horizon, and soon many will open their eyes to the radiant light that resides within their own beings. This awakening will empower individuals to step into their true nature, embracing the power of light and love that has always been their birthright. For those of you who have remained steadfast in your commitment to spiritual growth and inner discovery, this period will bring an amplification of the power that lies within you. As more individuals align with higher frequencies, you will undoubtedly feel the resonance of this collective awakening. The interconnectedness of the human spirit is profound, and you will experience the uplifting vibrations that emerge from a united collective consciousness. You stand on the brink of a significant transformation, only moments away from your full ascension into higher states of consciousness. Allow your inner light to be your guiding force, leading you toward the higher realms of existence. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, for it is through this process that you will not only elevate your own consciousness, but also contribute to the collective elevation of humanity as a whole. Together, you are ushering in a new earth, defined by unity, peace, and the one infinite Creator's love. We love you and honor you. We are the High Council of Sirius, from UniversalLighthouse.com.